Hello, welcome to the AirSaver Machine Stand assembly video. Let's start by opening the box and laying out all the parts and accessories. Now we can begin assembling the stand. Step 1. Align the two main support legs parallel to each other. Insert the linear bars to join the main support legs. Secure the bars to the legs using the 4 bolts and washers, 2 on the front of the main support legs and 2 on the back. Step 2. Place the L bar on the front of the main support legs. Secure with bolts and washers. Step 3. Insert the center support beam into the stand on top of the linear bars. The 4 holes at the top need to face front. Secure with 2 bolts and washers. Step 4. Slide the film stand platform to the middle of the center support beam. Make sure the holes are aligned. The film stand platform should face the back of the machine stand. Secure with 2 bolts and washers. Step 5. Slide the machine platform through the center support beam. Secure at the top of the support beam with bolts and washers. Step 6. Place the F1 machine onto the machine stand platform. Remove the 2 hand screws from the F1 machine. Secure the machine to the stand using 1 screw on the side and the other at the bottom. Step 7. Place the film stand onto the film stand platform. Secure with single long bolt and washer. Now your AirSaver system stand is completed. To add the air pillow collection basket, place the collection basket at the front of the stand. Make sure the retaining rod is facing front. Secure the basket to the basket hinge on the center support beam with bolts and washers. Your AirSaver F1 cushioning system is now completed. Built on wheels, the AirSaver machine stand has a full range of mobility, allowing it to conveniently move from one station to the other. The machine stand also brings the machine up to worker height, allowing for a smoother workflow. The complete AirSaver F1 cushioning system provides more efficiency to your shipping operations. AirSaver is a line of products that places major emphasis on ecological production and social responsibility. With every purchase of AirSaver products, a portion of proceeds will be donated to support charities in the areas of environment, education, healthcare, and poverty. For questions or reorders, visit us at www.airsaverpack.com.